Custom GPTs are amazing on their own. There's absolutely no question about it. But what if you can go one step further and turbocharge these custom GPTs by connecting them to powerful automations? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did with one of my clients and how we built a very simple automation that just creates all the content she needs with a click of a button. Let me change my screen, put my glasses on, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the GPT that I built for a client. It's a ritual writer, and it writes various spiritual rituals. We have enhanced it with a lot of information in the backend. And here's what happens. When I ask it to write a ritual, it says, "Hey there, Karen White's ritual writer, ready to assist you with creating a beautiful ritual. Do you have a specific pagan holiday, magic event, phase of the moon, or other spiritual occasion in mind for your ritual? Or you want me to select one for you?" So you have two choices. You can either say, yeah, create me a ritual for this event, or suggest something for me, So I'm going to say, write a ritual on, say, calming the mind. And it goes and does your thing. Now I'm going to speed up the video here a little bit so you don't have to sit and wait for the whole ritual to be written. And I'll continue when it's ready. Okay, so our ritual is ready. And as you can see, it's very in-depth and it's amazing. And every single time you ask for a ritual, it kind of creates something of this magnitude. Now, the next thing we're going to do is send all this information into a Google Sheet, because the first thing we want to do is preserve our ritual in its original form. And here's what the actual automation looks like. And when I set it up, so when I say yes, send the details, you will see what happens in this automation and how it populates the Google Sheet. Now, you don't have to use a Google Sheet. I personally prefer to use Airtable because Airtable allows me to do a lot of other things. But in this case study, with this client, we decided to use Google Sheets. So basically, this webhook will grab all this information here and start populating this Google Sheet. Okay, now let's say, let's tell the GPT to send the details. And as you can see, it's starting the action, okay? It does take a little bit of time with this action, so you just have to be patient. And again, I'm going to speed up the video a little bit so we don't have to wait for the action to actually start. Okay, so once it's connected to make.com, it will ask you to confirm. You will confirm, and then it will actually start the action process. And as you can see, do you see these little ones here? It means that it's already transferred the whole ritual into our Google Sheet. The next one is we're sending it to ChatGPT to create a video script that just dropped in. Then it's going back into ChatGPT and it will create, it does take a little bit of time. As you can see, this little green line here, it means that ChatGPT is actually writing, and it just wrote to social media posts. And then we will move into creating an email. So basically, we've got our email in here as well. This is the second social media post. I don't know why it popped under here, but as you can see, so let me just put it up a little bit, see if I can put it up, maybe. Yeah, I'm just going to, put it up. Okay, here we go. So basically, here's what is happening. We created one simple ritual Then now, and you saw it's less than a minute, we have our full ritual that we can use time and again. We have a video script that we can take and create a video for this ritual. Then we have 2 social media posts that we can use. And the last thing we did is create an email. Okay, so you can see how powerful a click of a button can be. Now, we created a whole lot of content from this one ritual. And if you guys want me to create something like this for you, just drop me a line below or send me a message and we can have a chat and see what we can create for your own personal unique situation.